Hello dear friends, today we are going to make a tractor wheel. I clicked on sketch on the plane. We take a line from the center upwards and set it. We take this kind of distance. Okay. Mouse. Okay. Create arc through 3 points. Arc. Like this. Let's zoom in. There. Okay. And let's make a fillet. Perimeter. Good. We draw a line the length of the tire and lead it down to the center. Alright, we close the line. Here, well, we won't do this part for now, we could too. Alright. Finish sketch. We select our sketch. Create revolve. We select this line. Good. Let's create mirror. Right click and pieces here. Select new bodies. And let's make it smaller. Let's make it about this size. Good. Combine our two bodies. Okay. Next, we make another sketch on the plane. We place or create polygon. Polygon. This is our polygon. Let's make it not too big, about this size. Okay, let's do an offset. Have you done an offset before? About a millimeter, yes. About a millimeter. Okay. Next, we draw a line from the center of our polygon. Select it and offset it by a millimeter. Enter. And set a 0.5 millimeter offset. Delete it. Remove it. Set the offset to 0.5. Alright. We also set this line. Press the flip key. 0.5. And flip. Okay. We can delete the central line. Alright. Now let's make the crate. Once, just simply press it and move our polygons. Make 3 of them. Alright. Next, let's select our lines. Do a create. This time let's make 1 million grams. No, that's not it. Reduced it. Let's make 2. 2 works. And let's move them out a bit. Created a line, making a pattern, and close the end. Okay. And close it here. Okay. Go to modify, move copy. Select our polygon. First select one. Set the pivot to the center so the polygon can rotate. This point here will be our center, okay? And rotate it. But the ends are still selected. Deselect the ends. and rotate it by 30 degrees. Alright, we've rotated the first one. Next, 5. We select it. Okay, no, didn't like it. Alright, let's select it. That's it. Now, we simply turn on the center. Move the pedestal. To the center. Okay. Rotate it by 30 degrees. Enter. Rotate the last polygon. Assemble it. Remove the excess. And now we'll place it in the center. That's it. Okay. Rotate it by 30 degrees. Done. Finish the sketch. And something went wrong with it. Let's delete our mess. We'll hide the body and display the sketch. That's it. For this, let's do an extrusion. Once again, could you please go ahead and remove absolutely everything, every single item, leaving nothing behind. Why did we select everything we needed and we do it right here? Good. We hide our sketch. Plus, we turn on the basic. After that, we take it. Move it up, if necessary, as we need, please. The projector is submerged, as I understand. That's it. 3. Pattern. Circular pattern. Click on our body. Let's just take a brief moment to pause and really consider all of these 35 individual pieces together. 35 seems too few. 38. 38? That's fine. Enter. Next we select combine and everything else. Oh! Join to the frame. Got it? Enter. There. Our protector. Next, select the plane for the sketch. Draw a circle about like this. Finish sketch. Who's here? To about this height. A little less. Like this. Sketch. Create polygon. Okay. So, create circular pattern. Actually, no, it's better if I do it after I extrude it. It'll just be more convenient that way. Let's raise it to the desired height. Maybe a bit smaller. Well, maybe we'll just leave it like this. Alright, new body. Okay. Now, create pattern. Circular pattern. Axis. Select it and set the number of instances. More pieces. A lot. 15. Oops. It turned out to be 55. Let's make it 15. Alright, then let's do 10 pieces. 10 is fine. And 10 is too few. 13 pieces. 13 works. Excellent. Now select it. We'll make 500. A circle from the center. Like this. See? Here. Turn your own key. Let's make a chamfer. About like this. Rewind. Let's raise it. The chamfer changes. And let's raise the hub like this. Here we make a sketch again. This time, we make smaller polygons. Like this. Finish again. And make them a bit shorter in height. Just like that. Roughly. Circular pattern. Axis. This time, make a few up to 11 pieces, 10 pieces. Done. Sketch. Circle. About this diameter. And into the sketch. Here. Like this. There's a sketch. Draw a circle. About like this. Next, we draw lines from it. One line. And a second line. We select the lines. Click OK. Take one point and make it a little smaller. After that, we select the outline of our lines. Let's set it to 0.5. Too much. 0.3. 3 millimeters is just right for us. And do the same with these lines. Where do we select them? 1 by 1, 0.3. Excellent, we do the same thing here. Take offset, 0.3. Flip. Good. And this great project. Okay. Offset again. 0.3. And we do a flip. Enter. Good. Now we do the same thing on the other side. Line is here to the edge. Good. And another line at the same level. This way you can snap to the level. And here. There we go. Now we all moved it too far. Let's move it like in the reference. They're positioned differently. This line snapped to the other line. In the reference, they're in this position. Like this. Okay. Let's do an offset. 0.3. And here as well. Flip. Okay. That's it. It's a little bigger than over there. Alright. Yeah, let's move it up high here as well. The wrong point got moved. Did. Just like that. Enter. Finish. Sketch. This. Extrude into a solid. Good. And after that, we do a fillet, selecting everything. The edges. Nothing got damaged. Uh-huh. Let's do the fillet. Like this. Enter. The wheel is ready.